Today, let us make another interesting acrylic pouring. Hey all, this is Yamini and welcome to Sparklebox. As promised, I am back with another interesting acrylic pouring activity. And if you haven't yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do subscribe and hit on the bell icon to get instant notifications on our new videos. Let's get started with the procedure. So do give it a try yourself and share your work with us in Instagram by tagging us. And don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. I'll be back with another interesting DIY. Until then, see you all!